Okay, so my daughter is about to open up this electric spin scrubber. You've seen these all over all kinds of different social medias, I'm sure. She's going to be trying out this version today on my shower. She's going to take it apart, or open up the box. She's going to show you guys how it goes together, a couple of different features, and then she's going to go in there and try it out on the shower.
It comes with this attachment, this attachment, this attachment, this attachment, these two attachments, and these two attachments. And it also comes with something to hang this up on, so you don't just have it laying around. And you also have a USB-C charging port. And then you have 4 different holes. So to get this one out, you just press, there's a button here, and you just unscrew it, and then you just screw it right back in. And it clicks. And then you can put it different lengths, but all you have to do is put this in there and twist, and it locks it in there. I'm not gonna make it that tall today. This one on here. And then to turn it on, you just press this button right here. And as you can see, it tells you how charged it is. And there's different lights. It has different lights, so red is fast and green is slow. And you just click it again to turn it off. Click it again to turn it off. Now, I'm going to show you me cleaning my dad's shower. We're in the shower now, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty, so we're going to use the scrub brush to clean it. We have this attachment on there, and we're just going to... So now we're going to put this attachment on, and we're going to dry it up. Now that it's all dry, I'm going to show you guys how well this works. As you can see, there's no more scuff marks all over this, and it's all nice and clean now. You got all the scuff marks off, and all we used was a glass cleaner with it. Overall, I like this brush. It gets the job done. You don't have to use a lot of pressure with it, and I give this a 7 out of 10. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.